Hello everyone. Today let's take a look at my strawberry patch. Let's see how I protect it from the fruits from the bugs and the birds. First thing for the bug, I use this little stick right here. You see that little stick right there? And a piece of wire. And I put the flower right on top of it so that all the flower hang over. So you can see it won't touch the ground. It's like this one also. And this one. Of course you can adjust the height as the fruit get larger. You see? Like this one is too low. Oh, we adjust that. Make it higher. Pull it up. There you go, see? And then I did it to all of them. Like these ones. And look at this. All those. That. These. Same thing. See the little stick right there? Hold them up in the air. And this one right here, same thing. Look at those. Yep, a lot of fruits. Okay, now for the birds. Look at this. See this basket? When the fruit is kind of changing color, kind of red, so I put this on top of it. Look at that. There you go. Nice and ripe and still looking good. I actually can pick this one. Yep, look at this. Look at these. Nice, huh? Hanging on there nicely. Yep. There you go. Birds and bugs. Look at that. I'm about to cover these a little bit, couple days, maybe tomorrow. So look at those. See these? These are on the stick. And look at that. Look at this thing. This guy look like a burn. See on a stick like that? On a stick. These are all on the stick. Yep. See all these when it's about to get ripe, when it turn color. That's when I cover them with this basket. See? Nice, huh? Clean and nice. Look at that. Yep. I can pick these later. There you go. Blueberries. I don't know how I'm going to protect these, but we'll see. There you have it. Strawberries. Just like that. Thank you for watching.